this great weather.
It is beautiful. Early spring is always a nice time around here, and today, no exception. A little bit breezy, but the temperatures have been fantastic this afternoon. We've made it to the low 70s. After kind of a chilly morning, we saw lows in the 40s area-wide this morning. 74 and 52 are the averages here on the, well, second day of spring now. Around the area, skies partly cloudy. We still have some clouds kind of wrapping around the back side of that storm system that brought us all the rain early yesterday morning. 70 degrees is where we are at the present hour. By 8 p.m. tonight, down to 65, and then we'll be dipping into the 50s at 10 o'clock tonight around the area, and eventually headed into the 40s again in the morning in most locations. Out in the hill country right now, 66 in Llano, Fredericksburg a little cooler at 63, 67 over here in Johnson City, Marble Falls at 68 in the metro area, mid to upper 60s to right at 70 degrees, 70 in South Austin, 72 the warm spot in San Marcos. And off to the east, we're looking at 72s also from Giddings to LaGrange and back west over toward Lockhart. Austin partly cloudy and again 70, the airport 71. Under a partly cloudy sky, dew points are low, so it will be a little chilly tonight. Winds averaging 7 to 9 miles per hour, but we've seen them gusting over 25 miles per hour today, so they are beginning to come down a little bit right now. Sunset is at 7:44, and in that pollen count today, get ready, allergy sufferers. We've got a lot to tell you about here, including a high level of mold, a high level of oak today. In fact, that's a real high. Willow, medium, hackberry, low, sycamore, low, and then assorted other tree pollens added up to a count of 27, and that was also low. Around our state, a little cold up there in Amarillo. They're underneath the backside of this upper low. Some of that cold air aloft is making its way down there into the Panhandle. 39 there and 45 in Lubbock, but everybody else looking pretty good, especially down toward the coast. 79 in Corpus with some beautiful sunshine down there today. What an impressive storm system this is. Look at this rotation there around that upper low, still situated over North Texas and southwestern parts of Oklahoma. Heavy rain overnight. More than a foot fell in a few isolated areas in western Louisiana, causing some serious flash flooding, but fortunately no serious injuries or fatalities that we heard of. Heavy rain today, and even tornado touchdowns over in Mississippi as that shifts off to the east. Now on the backside of it, see a few little green spots right there? We've actually seen a couple of sprinkles, what we call this wraparound precipitation, get down towards San Saba County today, but we're not thinking we're going to see much else as this low finally begins to pull out of here over the next 48 hours. What will that mean for us? Well, we'll continue to see the cool nights and early mornings, but the afternoons are going to get progressively warmer over the coming days, back into the upper 70s tomorrow, and then by day after tomorrow and into the weekend, we're likely back to 80 degrees. Overnight tonight, most of the area should fall into the 40s first thing in the morning, and then tomorrow afternoon's highs, again, upper 70s, I think, in most locations. Austin, even tonight, could fall into the upper 40s in downtown with a few clouds and a south-southwesterly breeze. Tomorrow, upper 70s, southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, and those clouds should be retreating off there to the north as that upper level storm system that caused so many problems in so many areas begins to move out. But overall for us was beneficial, bringing us the good soaking rainfall. Here's our 7-day forecast as we're looking at temperatures warming here to 80 degrees or above. That is above normal, in fact by 10 degrees or more over the weekend, with a chance of some rain returning toward the middle of next week.